Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. As you guys can see, we are here with Yamik hair. Now, I seen this unit specifically on Instagram and I was like, let me try it for myself. So I purchased this 2 times. I just wanted to see if the quality would remain the same. This video is not sponsored. They don't know who I am. This is the wig straight out the packet and I want to leave it in its body wave state. I'm not going to do any curling to it because I'm like, nobody wears it as it comes. Can you wear it as it comes? So we just gonna style it as is. Now the hair did feel a little bit dry, I ain't gonna lie. Could use a co-wash. It didn't have any type of smell, which I love. So this is the overall construction. This is a 13x5 lace frontal wig. What was I about to say? I don't know. But it does have combs, an elastic band. This is 180% in density and she 30 freaking inches. Stop playing. So we're able to wear it glueless with the elastic band if you want. So all right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put it on our head. Now with that elastic band on there, you got to put that on, pull that down properly. It's probably my big braid in the back, but I feel like it fits. It does have a little bit of room. I wouldn't say it's big head friendly unless you remove that elastic band. But otherwise than that, I do love the construction and the fit of it overall. So it is big or long lengthwise that I have to trim up the lace, but you know, we'll get into that later. So this is the overall view of the hair. This is the back of the hair and y'all, super duper pretty. I love this hair. This is the hairline up close. The knots are super duper small. The lace is transparent, but you know, it ain't too shabby. You don't have to bleach the knots if you don't want to, but you definitely gonna have to tin it. It is thick in the center section of this frontal. I don't know what they had going on. They could have thinned that out a little bit more, but it was definitely thick. Y'all see me now. I'm just going in with some concealer because I ran out of cream foundation to tint the lace. So this is what it looks like. And as you guys can see, like I'm parting and like, girl, why is it so thick up there? I just finessed it with some concealer and y'all gonna see me do that, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm just gonna go in and hot comb everything down. I want to give them their praise for the hairline because it do eat down. I ain't gonna lie. Like they plucked it perfectly, okay? And like I said, I just did a little bit of plucking, not too much. You can't even tell I did anything, but I love the hairline. So now I'm just going in to cut off the lace, and y'all know I like to create jagged edges so it won't look like one blunt line across your forehead. So this is the part where I was talking about here, like as far as it being big hair friendly, it is a long lengthwise ear to ear. As far as the fit, the cap does stretch, but I feel like y'all know how I say with Amazon wigs, you can't be fitting your head in there. I consider myself to have a big head, and normally with Amazon units, I gotta send them back. But I feel like this wig is snug enough to wear it glueless, but it also fits, you know, so I hope I make sense. But anyway, as you guys can see, the lace is melting freaking perfectly. Like, don't play with it. For this to be HD transparent, honey, I melted that thing like it was HD. So we just took some of that Kiss lace adhesive. I did about 1 to 2 layers. I took my blow dryer on a cool heating setting and I'm going to wait for this product to get tacky and then we're just going to lay it down. As you guys can see, the lace melts like butter. Nobody could tell me that this was a transparent lace. Like, you can tell me, you can try. I'm just going in with some Got to Be glue spray. I just sprayed some on the back of a package and I'm just dabbing it on the outside of my lace just so it can blend in more. But y'all see, I didn't even need to do that because it's giving what lace? Okay, what lace? So we're gonna take it off. I let it melt for about 10-15 minutes and girl, baby, stop playing. Stop playing with them. This looks freaking good. I love how it turned out. When I love sometimes how my lace turns out, I decide to do baby hairs. You know, y'all know I was just ranting. If you watch my last video, y'all know I was ranting about I cannot stand baby hairs. I told y'all, don't listen to me. It depends on how I'm feeling on for real. But I'm just taking my tweezers and just thinning out my baby hairs. I felt real creative this day. I'm telling you, I did. So I went kind of dramatic with my baby hairs. I take my 1 inch flat iron and I just curl the hair towards my face, and I help that swoop my baby hairs. And I do spray some Got to Be glue on my edge brush to help swoop. Got to Be glue spray will hold your baby hairs in place. I do not like using that lace adhesive. My kiss on the lace for baby hairs, no. Got to Be glue is gonna do it every time. Do y'all not see this? Stop playing. Stop playing with your girl. This is a $150 wig, 30 inches from Amazon. And they doing it like that. So I just take some concealer, like I told you guys before, and just outline the part. The concealer is going to make it look wider than what it is anyway. So I try to, keep going over it until it's wide enough. But you probably will have to go in and pluck it. But you guys can't tell. You can't tell that I didn't pluck that middle part. So now I'm just going in to detangle the hair using my brush. I did get some shedding during this process. This is what it looks like if I just leave it like this. It's nice and full, and this looks thicker to me than 180% density. That's just my personal opinion. Put our sunnies on, baby. I'm ready to go. Nobody can tell me nothing. So I wanted to see what the curl pattern would look like defined. So I took some Lotta Body and I just put it throughout the hair, because again, like I stated before, I've never really seen anybody leave body wave hair in its body wave state. I've never seen that. I've never done it myself. So I'm like, let me just put some foam wrap lotion on it and just to see what it gives. So I did all of that, and I was gonna do a side part, but I changed my mind, put that middle part right back. So to speed up the drying process, I just put some heat to it. I did not use any water to do this. I just used Lotta Body lotion. So this is my perfume of the day, the YSL perfume, baby. She has my freaking heart. I really wanted to smell very feminine, very sexy, and this perfume embodies all of it. I love, love, love this stuff. Y'all see, this is my second bottle. So I did a change of clothes, and this is going to wrap up today's video from a install straight out the pack. No curling, no styling, no nothing, just wearing it as is. Baby, 10 out of 10, okay? I purchased this unit 2 times in incognito. I can't say that word, incognito. Y'all know what I'm trying to say, that word. And baby, the quality was the same every time, okay? So I love it. Like I said, I can't give a full review because I did not wash it or condition it. And I did receive some shedding, I told you guys that. And I did get a little bit of tangling in the nape area. But if you guys let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to check the description section for the link to the hair. If y'all want me to style this hair or curl it, let me know in the comments. And until my next one, your girl, see you later. Bye, guys.